Hey, hello, folks. See, this here is a software that I had been building for myself. It's actually a visualization of your artworks, collectibles, valuable stuff, all extracted from a piece of Excel sheet that you might have made before. I think that's how to put it. I'll show you how this thing is getting drawn into the software first, so that way you'll understand it much better. So when you look here, where is it? Ah, this is an Excel sheet which has artworks, artist names, and all other details, and the image name at the end. So the software makes use of this Excel sheet, grabs the data from a nearby folder. Yeah, these are the artworks that are mentioned in the Excel sheet. Now that's how this software is getting all the details. And now, in order to make this software work, it's very important that you install these essentials. And yeah, you should definitely install this. And this is an Arduino code for making the RFID sensors work and map your assets. Okay, map your assets um, in your archive. Too much of messages. And here, yeah, let's go back to the software. Yeah, you might be wondering what this black screen is. It is to spot the asset you're looking at. So when you click on the button here which says spot the asset, you turn it on. Yeah, for now I will kind of anchor this window here. Yeah, that's done. And if you see, when you hover over an artwork, it will trigger over here in the small window. It will show where its position is actually. See, it says box B here in the location notes. If you look at it, it says box B. That location note is written to your left. I hope you can see it, because if I just move the cursor now, that info will be gone. Yeah. And now, since you have understood that, let's see what else is there. Oh, there is a filtration process which we can implement. It's like distinct name of the images and select them particularly. You can do that. And yeah, don't worry about the quality of the image. You can always zoom in. It's actually a game engine, so yeah, so don't worry. And yeah, always make sure to clear your search. This will bring all your assets back into this viewer. And now there is one more thing. I have attached an Arduino chip with an RFID reader, and that's in COM4 serial port. When I mention this, it says read mode, tap card. So I will pull up another window with a with the visuals from my table here. Oh, I messed it up. Okay, so I hope you can see this. This is what's happening. Oh, I also got to pin it down. Yeah, now that's done. Let's see. So I have a card right now with me. I have already embedded an artwork data in it. Let's see what that data is. For that you have to place the chip over here. It shows stock number 1.act004. You see here, that's the stock number of the current artworks. So that's in this location. It's supposed to be in this location. It's been mapped to this location. This is where it belongs. So next time when someone else come to the archive and take your stuff and just go to some area to read it and come back to return it, you know where exactly to put it. So let that card be there. Now if you press Q, it will refresh and go back and get us to our default view. I will also show you how to write a card now. Press W and this thing here turns to write mode. Select and press W. Let's write act number 8. We press W for write and then place it here, and it says write done. Cool. Now that's done. So now when I press Q and it's in read mode. Okay. Please note this is act number 8. Okay. So once you go tap the card, it will exactly give you the act number 8. And act number 8 belongs there on this table, on this tray. So yeah. Press Q. You'll go back. All these shortcuts or keys that I'm telling you, it's all mentioned here in info. So yeah, camera controls, spacebar to Google detail preview, and selecting artworks and exporting it. Yeah, that I'll show you here. So you can select an artwork by pressing Ctrl and right click. Okay, I have selected 6 works. Let's see. You can see a list of them by going here. And this is the panel where you make changes with the selection. Exactly as what the window title says. And you can't see the images of your artworks that you selected right now because you haven't pressed this button, refresh to update images. Yeah, when you do that, you'll see the images also. Now once that's done, you can hide this window. You should always do this in order for this to work. Hide this window and go to export options and see all your artworks listed. Now imagine I have to remove this image or where's this image? Which image do you want me to remove? Maybe this image 008. Yeah, 008. We'll remove that image. Go there, click on it, remove selected work. Now on your right, this panel right here shows you about the current selection. So when you look at it, you won't see an artwork that's having a stock number of 0008. And in case you have removed it by mistake, you can always go to reset. and bring it back on. So current selection of 6 works. That work has been restored. Here is that work, but I need it gone. Let's select that, remove selected artwork, it's gone. We can also refresh these images. It's been refreshed. And yeah, now we'll go here, export options. See, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now you have to export this to some place. Let's say towards publication, and then yeah, you need them exported to an Excel sheet. Press this button. You need them images, high-res images copied to the desired folder. Press this button, and yeah, you need these images exported in a PDF format. Press this button, and these are the three functions it can do. Hide this window. Everything has been done. All you have to do now is go back to your folder and check, because it's here somewhere. Yes, right over here. And you look at this. Wait a minute. Yeah, see, all images have been written into a PDF. You can close that. You can preview the asset details, which has been written into a Excel format. Just yeah. And these are your images. And that's it. That's all this thing can do. And yeah, some minor helpful buttons like show and hide stock number. So yeah, stock numbers will pop up, and refresh sheet if you have made some changes to the sheet, artwork sheet, Excel sheet. Then if you need to like select a different Excel sheet, you go here. Select a bunch of images, you go here. And there is this thing. If you have more than 20 works, it will add to the next page. So then you need to press this next page and go to the other page and view it. Yeah, unfortunately not everything is all shown at once, because that will take a lot of CPU power, and I don't want that happening.